hands together. Welcome back to the stage, it's Dwayne H.
Strong beliefs. My love has got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. One more and more, keep on just one more and more. Freedom and love, what he's looking for. One more and more, keep on just one more and more. Freedom and love, what he's looking for. One more and more, keep on just one more and more. Freedom and love, what he's looking for. One more and more, keep on just one more and more. Freedom and love, what he's looking for. Tell me how. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. My achy, breaky heart, I just don't think you'll understand. If you can tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up into despair. Hey! One thing I think I love you, but I wanna know for sure. Clearing up air until the morning comes. With me, yeah, and we were moving on and singing that same old song, yeah, singing I love rock and roll, put that down into my baby. I love rock and roll, come sing it down and dance with me. Ow! See that last time, nearly, oh, tainted love. You don't really want it anymore from me to make things right. I need someone to hold me tight, and you'll think that love is fair, but I'm sorry, I don't pray that way. Go, Johnny, go, go. absolutely brilliant for me as well. Please make sure you follow me, upload any pictures or videos tonight, and follow me on Dwayne AJ Music on Facebook. That'll be absolutely fantastic. Guys, can we also give it up for Ellis tonight doing the Sound of Music? Guys, give him a clap. Go on. And go on, give the bar staff a clap as well, because without them, you would be feeling a little bit tipsy tonight. I'll give them a bigger clap than that, guys. Come on. Yay! Right, guys, thank you very much. I've been Dwayne AJ. You guys have been fantastic. I'll see you again soon.
Please put it together for Dwayne AJ.
Thank you very much, guys.